Hello everyone! Welcome to Junbe Vlogs, ang pamilyang gala na laging gutom. Ayan guys, papunta tayo ngayon sa Malin Lake. Tingnan nyo yung view natin papuntang Malin Lake. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda-ganda. So ayan guys, let's go to Malin Lake!
Sabi ko sa'yo, nagmamadali siya.
So guys, in here, we are baffled of what happened here. Was this hit by a wildfire? Or was this the doings of the destructive mountain pine beetles? So please comment down below of what you think happened here.
Forest fire last year.
Hindi to
Right?
last year siguro. Kasi kung last year to,
Grabe siya guys,
mga ano,
ang daming sunog na.
ilang taon na yan. Kailan ba yung
Oo nga, ano?
Talaga, walang ano.
Di ba last year?
Last year ba? Kasi parang ano naman, ba't yung mga damo buhay na kaagad? Hindi yan, last year, mga 2 years, 3 years ago siguro. Kasi grabe ano, dami ano.
Yeah.
And while we are getting closer to Malin Lake, talagang mapapawaw ka in amazement sa sobrang ganda ng mga sceneries.
How many minutes?
Malin Lake area, Jasper National Park. Yan guys, malapit na tayo guys. Ilang kimbot na lang. Makakarating na tayo sa Malin Lake. Pero ganda ng mga bundok dito oh.
Pababa. Dito na ba? Ayan.
Ayan, nandito na tayo. Malin Lake Public Parking.
Buses only dito din. Pumasok dun oh. Hindi nagbabasa. Naunahan ko si Daddy.
Baba tayo, baba. Tayo sa gilid ng lake. So ayan guys, andito na tayo sa Malin Lake. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ayan oh. May boat cruise sila dito guys. Unfortunately, late na kaming napunta dito. Kaya dito na lang manood-nood. Ganda ng bundok oh. So grabe, ang lamig siguro nito. Ano kasi galing to sa bundok sa glaciers. So yan. Yan. So malaki-laki din to. Papunta to doon.
Come on!
So mag-picture tayo.
Oh, it's not cold.
Okay, come here. Let's go. Let's take a picture first and then you guys can play.
Oh no!
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna find yung
So yan guys.
Oh wait, shit! We can go there.
Picture muna. Sige, ready?
dito ka that's
1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Waki.
Okay, take a picture,
come here.
please.
No, jump. We're gonna jump.
Oh,
Come here.
jump to the
Okay. Okay. 1,
Wait! Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, try it again. Try it again. Daddy, try it again.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, try it again.
1, 2, 3. Don't hold me. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, try it again. Try it again. Try that again. Try that again. One more time. Orangutan. My boy's crazy. It's here. You what?
So ayan guys, mga ano namin.
Can we go to there?
Okay, remove your shoes.
Daddy, stop.
Remove your shoes. Oh, mag-picture.
Okay, fine, Mom.
Halika, wait. Wala, oh. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna jump. We're gonna jump.
Wait, anak, nag-photo lang si Mami, saglit. Okay.
We're gonna jump.
So grabe, ang ganda talaga dito.
Can I jump?
Ganda, no?
Can I jump?
Okay, Dad.
Ayan. Dahil
Cold? No.
No, it's not cold.
dahil nainitan daw sila, gusto nilang magbabad.
Smile kay Mami. Yes.
Ikaw din, mami.
It's cold.
You see cold na daw.
Easy.
This one here.
Ice water, that's ice water.
What? I follow to Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Grabe, ang ganda dito guys. Tahimik lang, hindi masyado siyang crowded dito. So ayan guys, pwede ka rin dito mag cruise. Yan yung boat nila. Pwede kang mag-rent ng kayak or mga paddleboard or canoe dito. Pwede. So ayan. Lalaki ng malaking lake to. So ayan, yan yung boat mounts nila. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe also if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. So see you on our next video guys. Thank you, bye for now. A bear encounter on our way home not far from Malane Lake.